Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Dr. Saima Mushtaq and today we will talk about the menopause and post-reproductive health. We divided our lecture into 5 sections. In the first section, we will talk about what is menopause, what are some symptoms of menopause, and what is the endocrinology or different hormones involved in the process of menopause, and what are the pathophysiological changes in different organs after the menopause. In the second section, we will go over the management and treatment of the menopause. And in the third section, we will talk about abnormal menopause. Under abnormal menopause, we will talk about the delayed menopause, premature menopause, abnormal menopause caused by surgery and radiations. We will also talk about the artificial menopause. Then in the fourth section, we will talk about the postmenopausal reproductive health. So what's the effect of menopause on the health of the female? We will talk about in this section about the psychological and physical effects of the menopause on the patient. Then we will continue talking about postmenopausal effects in the final section of our lecture, in which we will talk about the effects of the menopause on the heart, on the vessels, on different vulvovaginal lining, urinary tract, and also on the endometrium of the uterus. So all these effects we will talk in the fifth section of the lecture. So hopefully you are excited to learn more about this lecture. So keep watching sqadia.com.